Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to remove a copyright claim from your YouTube video. First, I am going to open the Google app and search youtube.com. I am going to click on the profile icon and sign in my email address and password. Now that I am on the YouTube page, I'm going to click the menu option, scroll down and select Request Desktop Site. Now I am going to click on the profile icon and select the option YouTube Studio. Now this will take me to the YouTube Studio page. Now that I am on the YouTube Studio page, I'm going to select the option Content. After selecting the option Content, I am going to scroll and search for the video that has a copyright claim on it. So now that I have found a video that has a copyright claim, it has a red dollar sign, which means it is ineligible for monetization. So this video cannot be monetized. You cannot make any money from this particular video once there's a red dollar sign. Now I am going to click on the edit icon, which is the one that looks like a pencil. So I'm going to select the option copyright claim and then I will click on see details in order for me to remove the copyright claim from this particular video. Now that I am able to see the copyright claim details, this particular video got a copyright claim because of the song that was used. Now there are two options. I can either mute the song or replace the song. So what I am going to do is to mute the song for this video. Now I am given the option how to mute the song. I can either mute all the sound when the song plays or I can mute the song only. But I am going to select the option mute song only and click continue. It normally takes a few hours to process, after which you will see the copyright claim removed from the video. Now that's basically it on how to remove a copyright claim from your YouTube video. If you guys have any questions, just leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Until next time, stay safe.